What's up, people? I'm Farhan, and as you all know, most people just use AI for basic tasks like writing emails, summaries, or just using it like a pro Google. So, a lot of people miss out that what AI can actually do and what level of things that it can easily achieve. In this video, we're gonna learn exactly that one thing. So, we're gonna find a real problem that's gonna fix in the world. We're gonna see how we can build that problem using AI. We can build a stunning looking website completely free, no coding, no headache, no stress, just AI, which tools to use, which prompt to use. And in the end, we're gonna deploy this app live. So by end of this video, you'll also have the link in the description. You can just check it out. The app is live as well. But before you go check it out, we're gonna see how we made it. So let's continue on this video and see how exactly we made this AI website with zero coding knowledge, and it doesn't even look like it was built by AI and looks like a $5,000 project. So you can make this for yourself, for your business, for anyone. So let's just get started. So first thing first, finding an idea that's worth building. Most people just get panicked, like what should I build? What is the best thing out there? It's not about coming up with an idea or thinking what should I build. It's about where the problem already exists and going there and finding it. And I'll show you in a simple way that how we're going to do that. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to Reddit, because most people just put their problems on Reddit. So why not? And I'm going to search this page. Somebody make this r slash something, somebody make this. This is the page that I follow. And every day, multiple people's like they just put on ideas. There are so many good ideas out here that you can find. Just go through like anything that you find now here. A way to sleep on time no matter what, like I need to be in bed by 10 p.m. Okay, so this is a problem that even I face personally. I'm never able to go to bed on time. So we can make something on this and actually see how it turns out. But before we go on to this, I'll actually show you another website where you can also find, it's called actually Find My Itch by Razorpay. Razorpay is one of the biggest finance app that was there in India, but now it's also making these kind of cool uh, technology that's available for everyone, completely free. So basically, all problems they have like different categories in different businesses: B2B, consumer, e-commerce, edtech, travel, real estate. You just need to click on them, and you get all the ideas that are there out there. Like people are actually facing the problems, and the best part is that they also give its score, which basically tells you like how much demand they have in the market. So check this out as well. This is one of the best tools to find problems that are out there and people are actually facing, and they want somebody to build something for this. So now coming back to the idea that we are pretty much interested, a way to sleep on time. So let's see how we can build something on this problem and actually solve it. So now that we have our idea, like what we need to build based on Reddit, so we're gonna see how exactly we're gonna build this. Now there is a problem, like a way to sleep on time no matter what. Like I need to be in bed by 10 p.m. Okay, so we have the problem. Now we don't have the solution for it, right? So to find the solution, I'm gonna go to Claude, and inside Claude, what I'll do is I'll just copy this link and I'll paste it inside Claude. And I will also say that, okay, so this is the problem that I found on Reddit, and I actually want to solve this by making a website. So suggest me how we can actually solve this problem for users. And I just need to give that. See, I'm just talking with AI. I'm not saying that give a advanced, dedicated, this, that, high tech prompt. Just a simple prompt to Claude, and it'll start working on the idea. I'll just fast forward till it gets the result for you guys. Okay. We're saying that a bedtime commitment, wind down ritual, shut it down mode, accountable partners, sleep tracker, morning check-ins, why I'm still awake, journalist, browser extensions, set up a time, wake up, what makes it different from existing. Okay, so now Claude has basically understood like how we're going to solve this problem. Even I don't know exactly, but it's saying that we're going to solve this problem by these steps like bedtime commitment, shut it down mode, accountability partner system. Okay. So now that it's said it, how we can solve, what I'll say is now make a super prompt for me so that I can build this website inside anti-gravity. And the prompt should consist of all the core features that we gonna use, and also the design. I want to carry around 20 plus depth so that it looks stunning. And again, I'm just talking with AI. I'm not doing any complicated stuff, just my English, and I'm just trying to explain AI that what exactly I want from him. And then I say that I need a single prompt, but with load balance, load balancer for multiple steps, so that the AI model doesn't feel the load. Okay, so this is the prompt that I just wrote so that it can give me a single prompt to build my website inside anti-gravity. So let's see what Claude gives me in return. I started working on it. Now let me build a copyright super prompt widget. So Claude understood what exactly I want, because see, AI is already smarter. Okay, it just needs proper context that what exactly you wanted to do. Once you do that, it just does everything by its own. You don't have to waste more time. Okay, sync anti-gravity super prompt phase 1 foundation core feature design system polish and launch. Writing up the copy engine. So it's still working on it. I'll just skip this so that we get straight back into the video. Now, a few important points that I want you to know, that the reason why I said load balancer is because when it gives a single prompt, such a big prompt inside the anti-gravity, the model sometimes collapses because it's too much of tokens at the same time and it's not able to deliver. So what I do by using this load balancer is that one thing at a time, so that it doesn't start to work on everything at the same time like the single model. Now we can actually also do a setup where we have multiple agents and they're like working together, but this is just for the beginners who just want to do. Now, if I tell all of that, it will be too much for you guys. So I'll do that as well, but in the next video. But in this, we're just going to see that how one model can actually build this. Okay, so the prompt is actually ready. It has divided into 4 phases. Now I'm going to copy uh, all the 4 phases as a single prompt. And now I'm going to go into anti-gravity and actually put this prompt and see what it builds. Okay, now before opening anti-gravity, I'll just create a sample folder. Like we can just name it like sleep, something like that in the folder. Name it anything that you want, so that we have something to open inside anti-gravity. And then I just open anti-gravity. And inside anti-gravity, what I'm gonna do is open the folder that we just created in my desktop, sleep, open. And now that we are inside anti-gravity, the first thing that I want you all to do is go and check the model, because most of the time it just uses Gemini 3.1 as the default model. But make sure you go and select Claude Sonnet or Claude Opus 4.6. Both models work great, so you can choose any one. So for this one, I'm going to use the Claude Sonnet 4.6. I had already copied the prompt from Claude, so I'm going to paste the same thing over here. So it has pasted the complete prompt inside over here. And it has also updated, like we want to use design from 21st dev, inspired like that. We have already studied to use from 21st dev, but we will also go in 21st dev and see some good elements, and I'll show you how you can actually use those elements into your website. But for now, this is what we have, and we're gonna just enter hit, and anti-gravity will start working on this using the Claude 4.6 model. So let's see what it does in the first prompt. We're gonna add more prompts to it, make it even more polished and make it even better. But the initial prompt is so good by Claude that it does most of the job for us, and then it's just basic refinement that is required. So we'll just wait till it gets the design done. I'll just fast forward so that I can wait for this. Okay, so first thing that what anti-gravity does is it creates a task list that what and all has to be done, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, so that it's easy for us to track down, okay, so what things is going to work first and what's going to work later. So it has also implemented the task over here, and it's working pretty good, works pretty fine, great. I'll open the terminal as well, so that if you have any other command that you're going to use, so we can just use this as well. So let's see what it gets us done. So I'm waiting to complete it. It takes a bit of time, so have some patience, but the patience will be worth it. There'll be just few things that you just need to click proceed. Just do that. Most of the time, just enter hit, and it'll be doing most of the work for you. I've set it to always run because I trust anti-gravity a bit. Ask every time is just you need to keep on putting enter, enter, enter. So it's better to just put it always run and just keep reading. Now here it has already created the files for the app, all everything that we need for this app. It has already created. I didn't even write a single line of code, but here it has created all the images, files, everything is there. And most of the codes are like unknown to me as well, but Claude easily does everything for us. the page TXS, CSS, everything is done in this one. The layout TSX. I mean, good job. I'm just allowing all those things, good stuff. Once it makes the complete website, I'll show you what it has actually done. Okay, so while Anti-Gravity is building our website, we also need backend for our website, which works pretty good. And the best website that I use pretty much for everything is Supabase. This is one of the best platform out there. It is completely free for up to 50,000 users, and it pretty much has a lot of cool features that we can use. Now, just going to Supabase, you can just create an organization and you can just create a project. Now, for this project, I will keep this name like Keep Track App. Keep a strong database password and please don't share it with anyone because someone might hack you. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep a good password that is pretty strong. I also copy that so that I don't forget. And pretty much everything is there. The region, select your region wherever you are building the app. I've selected my region and create the project. Now, once you have created the project, just head over to the project settings. There you will see API keys. Complete password. There you will see the API keys, and in this you just need to go to your legacy anon service role API key. There's two separate keys now here. One is your anon key, and one is your service role API key. Now these keys are really important for your front end because by using these keys, it's going to control the complete backend. What I'm going to do is also make sure you don't share your API keys with anyone. I'll hide these keys so that nobody can see, but you make sure that it's like secret again because these keys are very dangerous. If they're leaked, one case. I'll just copy the links. I'll go over here. I'll just paste it. I'll say anon key and then my service role key. Just reveal, copy, go back, and my database password, which apparently I just kept my name. Okay, so the anon key, service role key, and my database password. This is what I just need to give to Anti-Gravity so that it can access my backend, and I'll just enter it. The moment I give all my details. Okay, so it has actually started a live browser inside our app. Anti-Gravity does that. There is a cool feature where your app is tested via Anti-Gravity so that you don't have to manually test everything. I think that it's facing some kind of error, and I can't control this browser, but it's gonna ask for anything that is important that I need to give access to. But as of now, it's trying to solve the error, and I'll just see like once everything is ready, and I'll just show you what result it has done. So till then, Anti-Gravity will try to figure out everything, the front end, back end, and just give the result. Okay, so now that our front end, back end both are connected and it's working seamlessly, Anti-Gravity is doing testing inside our app and trying to figure out if there is any kind of bug that can be fixed and everything is working smooth. And right now the UI is pretty basic and it looks like an AI generated website. But soon we're gonna make this website into a stunning $5,000 looking worth website. So I'll also tell you that, but for now we're just seeing that how it's going through all of that. App front end is completely ready and tested with web key recording. So it's a good feature inside Anti-Gravity. Okay, so Anti-Gravity has pretty much done building the website, the initial stage, like the super prompt, what it has built. So we'll see what it has built as of now. Just go live. So this is what it has built as of now. Uh, Basically, it's giving me the authentication login page where I'm going to put my email and then I'm just going to log in. But this won't work as of now because we also need to add it into our server console and that stuff. We will do that and we will learn that as well, how the authentication works. But for now, we're just going to see how the app looks. So this is how the app looks. Pretty basic, no UI, nothing fancy, just a prototype that is working. So it's asking when do you want to fall asleep. Let's say I want to sleep at maybe 10 p.m. And when do I want to wake up? I want to wake up around 6, 4. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so it's saying select time zone, blah, blah, blah. And I'll say let's go. Okay, I'm overdue by 38 minutes. Past bedtime. I need to log. Still awake? Yes, I'm still awake. What question? I'm making YouTube videos. So just log that. So it's giving me the week, streak, which day it's currently and what I'm doing. And it also has this like sleep schedule, wind down steps, accountability partner that I can even share a link to my partner or a friend. Now, I don't have a partner, but those who have, you can share with your partners. Push notifications, pretty good. It has done a pretty decent job to build this app. But now we're going to make this look more enhanced, beautiful. Now, I'm just doing this for this website, but you can do for your own website, like whatever idea you have, the problem that you want to solve, you can just make it look so good. Now, so now I'll head over to 21st Dev. This is one of the best open source website out there, which provides like stunning animations and websites that you can just copy the elements into your website and make it look even more unique. Now here we're going to go into the newest. There's so many designs that you can just like copy. Now this design for the time zone, it might look pretty good. I'm just going to copy the prompt. I'm just going to save all the prompts that I like from this website so that we can just use it out here. One design that we have copied. We're going to see for a few more designs. It's going to look good. There is also best of the week section where you can just copy a lot of stunning designs. There are dark modes, light modes, components. Like there's so many things. Like nice. I also like this design, like the animation that it's actually having. So I'll just copy the prompt this as well. Then you're gonna see some more. So like this, you can just copy any prompt, the design that you like, and just paste it inside anti-gravity, and it will build it for you. Now, I also do this another trick where I just go and search like best looking websites in March 2026, like the recent website that I just any click on any design. I just mostly use a Webflow. So here they will show you like all the websites that have been selected for the best designs. There are some pretty cool looking websites that you can find here. Like for example, this website, you just go see the way that they have created. When I'm scrolling, it's giving a lot of cool features. This website. Now let's go over to this one. I'm Pierre Lewis. I'm a creative freelancer based in France. Welcome to my personal dashboard. Wow, graphic, motion designer with the see, pretty cool. Now I like this UI design. So what I will do, I'm gonna just copy this link. I'm gonna go to my anti-gravity. I'm gonna paste, and I'll say that I really like this website. Can you also make my website theme similar to this? And done. So what anti-gravity will do is actually go to that website, look how it is, and copy a few of the good elements into our website and then just build it. So let's see how good it builds and what results we have. We're gonna also paste the prompts that we had copied earlier. We're gonna paste this prompts as well inside anti-gravity, and we're gonna also see that how it's gonna use this elements along with the website that we have already set. So let's see how it does. I'm just gonna copy this. I mean, I could have just said completely copy, but it's okay. I'll paste all of this and then I'll just send it to anti-gravity and let's see what kind of result it gives to us. Now we'll see what anti-gravity has built after all those prompts. Like, does it look better? Now, this was the initial version that we actually built, which was looking pretty basic and not that great. But now, if we just go and copy this URL and just gonna see like how our new website is looking, and we'll see that it's gonna look pretty cool. I believe, I hope so. Okay, so yeah, this is the website that it has created. Well, looks good. The complete UI has changed from what it was looking earlier to what is looking now. The element that we actually added for the time zone, even that's there, live sleep activity. It's actually saying the live time over here right now. It's 12:42 a.m. at the moment, so that's nice. Okay, some pictures as well. Great. Open dashboard. Okay, so until bed, there is lock sleep, a lot better than before. Morning check-ins as well, like what time did I wake up, and we also have like insight, like that's great. I mean, this was just like few prompts that it completely changed like how our app is looking. Partner link, wow, this looks great. And see, just by a few prompts. Now, this was just a sample website that we are building. It's not even a serious thing that we're actually building, but for your idea, for your problem that you want to solve, you can just use these kind of basic prompt techniques and you can just build these kind of stunning websites for completely free. Now, you can obviously use Lovable, there is Bold, Emergent. There's so many great websites out there which can do this job. But the issue is that you're not in control, right? You're just giving the prompts and it's doing all the job. And the worst part is that you need to buy credits every time. So that's another headache. So now, without having any coding knowledge, just by using the right tool and prompt, you are able to build such good website. What else do you want? Wow, it also gives us checklist we're gonna do, and also inhale stop cycle. It's giving the exercise for us. Inhale and then hold. So it helps you to sleep better. So this is all, I didn't even set it to add, but it did. So cool features that we can just learn, and it was amazing. Now that we suppose now if you want to add more, you can just do the same. Go to 21st Dev or any other website, copy elements that you want to add, put it there. Just brainstorm with AI, and you'll end up having the best website for completely free. Now the catch here is that while using the Claude Sonnet, make sure that you use a very like sufficiently, because just don't waste your credit, because again this is free but it is limited. So now when I was building, I like did a lot of few other changes as well, and it was saying me that my plan baseline quota will refresh like after an hour, so I need to wait an hour for that. So that thing sucks. But if your prompt is actually good, and you don't have to worry about that because some other models are free by that time, so that works as well. So now that we are done with our website, now it comes about deployment. How are we going to deploy and how are we going to do that? So I'll tell you that. So let's go. So before you deploy your app, you also need to push your code to GitHub so that it's easy to manage the backend and also push the code to easily deploy it. So I'll show you now how you can easily push your code to GitHub without having any headache. Pretty simple. We'll just use anti-gravity as well for that. But before you push, you need your token key. So I'll just show you how you can do that. Just head over to your GitHub profile. Just go to your settings. So click on settings. Go to your developer settings. Over there, personal access token, token classic, generating token classic. What's this token for? I'll just tell it's for my sleep app. And just select this first checkbox, the repo. The rest, you just don't have to worry about that. Just if you click on this checklist, all set, then you can set the expiry date, whatever you want, and then just generate the token. Now, once the token is generated, make sure you copy and paste somewhere safe, because once you copy this code, it will go away. You won't be able to see it again. And also hide your API keys and your access token keys, because if they are leaked, so make sure you just keep it safe. I'm going to hide my API key so that I don't have to worry about it later. And I'll just paste it somewhere safe so that I don't have to worry about it later. Now I've already got my GitHub access token key. I'll just go over to anti-gravity, paste my access token key over here, and I'll just say that this is my GitHub access token key. I want you to push this code to my Git and create a new repo for it. And that's it, done. Once I give the access code and also tell in specific words that I just want you to push this to my GitHub, anti-gravity understands that and it'll just push the code. It's actually working on it right now. I've successfully created a new private GitHub repository. So it's saying that it has created. So let's go and just check if it is actually created. Just go to home. Here is our repository. Okay, perfect. So the complete repository has been sent, and also a small README file of how we can do. Now it's also showing us that we can deploy it on Vercel. Now, how to deploy it on Vercel? Again, it's a very simple technique. I'll just show you how that as well. Now that our code has been pushed to GitHub, we'll just go to Vercel. Just log in. I've already logged into Vercel, so you just have to log into your Vercel account, create a project, all set. And once you have done that, what you have to do is just search Vercel token. Go to tokens, access token, just copy this. And again, just head over to your anti-gravity, paste this over here. And also there is another way to do if you want to use your access token. Now this technique is only when you have not pushed your code to Git. You can just copy this access token key, paste there, and tell it to directly push the folder to your Vercel. But you have not done that. Like if you already connected your GitHub, so and you have already pushed your code to GitHub, then it becomes even easy to deploy. Now For that, simply what we're going to do is add a new project and ask to build or enter a GitHub repository link. I'll just go to here, code, copy the link, paste it in my projects, and deploy. You just need to paste the link, and it's pretty simple. It's working on it. Everything is set, and I'll just say deploy. And once I do that, it starts building the app for deployment. It'll take a few minutes. Just wait. So finally, Vercel has built the app and now it's live. So let us just check if it is working fine. I'll just click here and visit the website. Okay. Our app link is sleep7zetaversal.app. You can change the app name as well. And if you want to even connect a separate domain, I'll teach you that as well in the upcoming videos, how you can put your custom domain. But as of now, we just wanted to make our website live. Everything is working as it has to be. There is dashboard. Everything is working as it should. Perfect. And I will paste this link in the description as well so that you guys can go and check it out. Now, I just wanted to say that this website that we just made, it's only a demo so that I can show you like how you can build your website that you want to build for your client, for your business, for anything, and you can even make money out of it. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be sharing more great AI tools, how you can build even better, stunning looking website. This is just an entry level, beginner level, like who are like just coming into AI, and if they want to build something, if they want to learn something, this goes for them. But now, once we are done with this one, and in the upcoming videos, I'll be showing like how you're gonna, after the production, what and all things has to be done. Google Analytics, Google Console, how you make your website reach, how you can pull traffic onto your website, what other security things that you have to take care, all the edge functions that you need to take care of. So we're gonna learn all those stuff in the upcoming videos and a lot of more AI tools as well. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next videos as well. Make sure you subscribe and press the notification button, bell icon, so that you never miss any update. And make sure you drink water, sleep, enjoy, have fun. And I'll see you in the next video with another great video where we are learning something new with AI, something interesting, something fun. And let me know in the comments like what you think, how my video was. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll try to answer all of them for you guys. And I won't try to make this video a long video because there is so much left that I want to cover. So that's the reason I'll be covering all those in the upcoming videos. So make sure you can just subscribe and be there to learn more new AI tools. Also check my Instagram channel, Far.hantech. So in that channel as well, I post all the videos of tools and tricks that you can use with AI. And for more detailed version of how things actually work, I come and make this videos on YouTube. So if you want just the tools, if you want to know and if you want to be updated, check my Instagram. For more such detailed videos with AI, you can check this page. And thanks a lot for watching till here. I really appreciate. If someone is watching till here, then आपको दिल से heart. And see you in the next videos, and bye.